Hello students. Today I want to teach you about horizontal rule tag, which abbreviation is HR tag. HR tag is used to draw a horizontal line across the page. It makes our web page very attractive and used to divide the content using a horizontal rule. It is very important tag in our web page which we can use to classify the content into different parts. This tag is an empty tag and it is also categorized as a formatting tag. It contains different attributes like size, weight, align, no shade, and color. Now, let us try to understand what is the purpose of all these attributes. The first attribute is size. It always contains the value in numeric. It can be an integer value. This size attribute is used to indicates the thickness of the line in pixel. You can see the example. HR size is equal to 6. It means it will increase the thickness of a line with 3 point extra because the default size is 3 pixel. The next is width. Width also contain numeric value and percentage value as an attribute value. This width used to specify the width of a horizontal line. It means we can create a horizontal line left to right using its width. We can insert the value in pixel and percentage, both of them in the width. Like you can see the example, HR width is equal to 90. It means it is in pixel. The another example is HR width is equal to 30%. It means this is in percentage. The next attribute is align attribute. Align contains 3 values: left, center, and right. As we have discussed earlier that align is used to specify the alignment of any object. Similarly, this align object attribute also used with horizontal line to set the alignment of the line in left, right, and center. We can use the example like this. HR width is equal to 30%, align is equal to right. The next is color. The color attribute contain a color name or color code as hexadecimal code as an attribute value. As usual, it is used to change the color of a horizontal line because the default color of horizontal line is shaded in gray color. We can use the color attribute like this: HR size is equal to 6 and color is equal to blue. The last attribute is no shade. This attribute does not contain any attribute value because it is already written over there that no shade. This attribute used to remove the shading from the line because the by default line looks in gray color with shading. When we will remove the shading, it will display a line, horizontal line in black color. Okay, so we can use this attribute like this: HR space no shade. So all these attributes used with HR tag to set the values and attributes of horizontal rule as per our wish. In the following example, we can see that here we can writing HTML head tag, title tag, and the title of the web page is trying HR command. After closing the head tag, we can use the body tag. In body tag, we are writing a paragraph line that let's draw different horizontal lines and using BR tag. After that, this is the default horizontal line and using HR tag. The following horizontal line is of thickness 7 pixel and color green, and we are using HR, size is equal to 7 and color is equal to green. The next line, the following horizontal line is of width of 500 pixel from the left. We are setting its width is HR, width is equal to 500, align is equal to left. By default horizontal rule is left align, so we don't need to set it. The following horizontal line is of 60% from the right, thickness 5 pixel without shedding. For this we are using HR, no shade, width is equal to 60%, align is equal to right, size is equal to 5. At last we are closing the body tag and the HTML tag. After executing this program, we can see the output like this. The first one is a gray color horizontal line with 100% width. Another one is no shaded. It looks in a thick green color on black color, whatever you are going to set it. The another one is left aligned and the width is 500. And the last one is 60% width and right align. So for this we can use different types of attributes with HR tag to set the horizontal rules as per our wish. Thank you.